مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم مولاي.
I don't know. Wait, guys, do you know when my lesson has started? Oh, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, no.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and welcome to video number 9, the final in our Arabic sounds video series. Today, bi'idhnillah, we are going to tackle the rest of the letters for today. So we finished off on lam, mim, and noon. Now we're going to do waw, ha, hamza, and ya. So what I'd like you to do is practice along with me. These are very straightforward, so you'll know these as you go along. So let's try it together. Everyone say wet, wet. Let's try the letter wow. See, when I turn myself to the side, am I owing my lips here? Wow, wow. I'd rather you not say wall, wall. Let's try it together. Say wow. Excellent. Now you're going to write two words for me here. Write the word wet and the word what. It's closer to wet. Stay away from samawati, wa versus wa, wa. Great. Let's take some examples. The lips are going to touch. أولا أولا أولا. Excellent. Don't forget your lam. Your L is going to be used with the whole tongue. أولا. Let's try a simpler one. ولدا ولدا ولدا. سماواتي سماوا wa. Watch at home. Wa. Don't press those lips together. Samawati. Great. The next letter is the letter ha. I want you to write the word give up. And you're just going to give up and just let a sigh of relief off. It's the 9th video. I'm done. Say ha. Great. It's coming from the first part of my throat. The first part of my throat. Let the air out and say hadha. Tongue comes out. Hadha. Hadha. Let's try it in Surah Fatiha. Let the E out and the air. Dina. Dina. Na. Great. Straightforward. The second to last letter is hamza. It makes the same sound as an alif. So remember the word application. Antum. Antum. Ma na. Excellent. So alif and hamza make the same sound. And finally, you have the letter ya. Say ya. Ya. The only mistake that creeps up, and really I wouldn't be able to tell you through video, you might not be able to hear it yourself, but sometimes people let their ya run away. So I don't want you to blow the air in your mouth and get a ya. Use your tongue. Ya. Make sure the air is being captured in your mouth and say ya. Let's try an example. Iyaka. That would kind of be a little choked. Iyaka. Kind of be letting it go too much, so let's try it together. Don't choke it. Don't let it run. Iyaka. Iyaka. Let's try it. Iyaka. Excellent. Iyaka. You just don't want it to kind of have a gene inside of it. But don't worry. It's the last letter. You'll take your time. You'll get it. Now this is going to complete our series. We've done all 29 letters and the sounds. What we're going to ask that you do is if you've benefited from these videos, then see how you can support these type of videos from being produced. That's what we ask, and we pray that if you benefited from them, you pray for those who produced them and all the people behind the scenes, because you can't see the guy holding the light or the brother holding the reflector or the persons who are coaching me behind the camera. Make dua for them, and if you can support this by teaching others the correct way and by supporting this cause, it would be wonderful. Take care, Jazakallah khairan, and look out for the next video series. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is your brother Wissam Sharif. Remember everyone in your prayers and stay strong and study the book of Allah.
Thanks so much. Such a good lesson. Yeah. The best lesson in the world. Yeah.
مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق